What we have here is a 1955, 54 something Philco TV. Old school, tube style, and we're trying to fix it just for the fun sake of fixing it. And we found that one of the primary transformer coming in is supposed to spit out two voltages, 110 volt in, supposed to have a 24 volt output and a 6.7 volt output. The 24 volt output side had high resistance, a lot of ohms. So we suspected it's bad. So in fear of turning it on and shocking ourselves, we have installed a normal 24 VAC or 110 input to 24 VAC output in place of just a 24 volt that's replacing this. We have disconnected the 24 volt circuit from this, and we're going to wire these to here and attach it grounded to the chassis so that the transformer is bonded because it needs to be, and see if we can get this thing to fire up. Only time will tell. We'll keep you informed because we're going to turn it on with the video running, and if it goes boom, you'll see it here. In true safety standards, we're going to be using, completely secured, non-grounded, because it's from 1950s, let's be honest, it wasn't grounded. And just plug it in, and I'm going to stand right here and try to catch any electrical arcs that come out. No, I'm not. No, I'm not doing that. But first, I need a bite. If I'm going to die, go to the hospital, I'm going to be well fed. It takes a few minutes for this thing to warm up, but so far, it's alive. We're gonna have to see if the tube fires up here in a minute. Come on. You can see the other tube starting to glow as it warms up. I'm getting a little bit of audio. You can see the light coming in from behind the thing here. Still waiting for the tube to fire up though. Not a light on this side, but definitely a light on this side. It's a channel selector. The contrast is brightness, and then we have an inside and outside knob here for horizontal and vertical alignment. We have more than we had before. I wonder if we have to try to emit some kind of radio frequency. I doubt it though. Okay, so we powered it on once. We didn't have anything. Got a little bit of weird blipping if we messed with some of the controls. But then it came in the back. And in our haste to fire it up, we forgot to plug this plug in right at the top of here, which goes into here. I'm assuming it controls the magnets internally that control the beam of the cathode / laser inside to shoot on the screen. So now we plug that back in, and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna fire it up. Oh wow, check that out. Wow. And You used to turn this thing on and then go eat dinner, and by the time you came back, it was on and ready to go. That is cool. Hope nobody has any light issues, like flashing lights. That's cool. It works. Those are radio waves coming from outer space. On the top of this, there's an antenna, and there's a little knob here where you can adjust the angle of the antenna. And that's my daughter. No, you cannot have a root beer float. Why are you coming in here and asking us? Evelyn, this thing is 3 times older than you are. And it still works. It's more than 3 times older than you are. This thing's 50 years old, Eva. This thing's 50 years old. It's almost as old as me. Sorry. That's it though. Until we get a digital analog converter to see if it'll actually emit some kind of actual image. At least it fires up now. Cool.